Hi, my name is Chris Shrinkle, and I'm with Gogiro Cleveland. Gogiro Cleveland is a website building company in the Cleveland, Ohio area. We build and maintain websites for businesses and organizations locally. Over the past 2 years, I've been working with Jamal Khan. Jamal has performed a number of services for our business, including building and maintaining websites, malware removal, and basic troubleshooting of any PHP issues that might come about. Anytime that we have a coding issue, if there's a problem with the HTML or PHP codes, if there's anything that's affecting the website or the servers, we send those over to Jamal. Jamal has done a great job at performing the task successfully. He's been excellent at giving us reports and reviews as to the work that he's performed for us. Jamal is great at removing malware. He keeps our sites safe and secure for us. If there's ever an issue where any of our sites have become compromised by hacking or viruses or malware, Jamal has been able to locate the compromised files, remove the issue, and then harden the site to keep it safe and secure for the future. Jamal's great at getting the work done successfully. Anytime that we send stuff over to him, he responds back quickly and does the work right away. Jamal also is proactive. A number of times he's contacted us in advance to let us know or warn us that there may be an issue arising. He oftentimes will ask if there's any task or work that needs to be performed or completed. And so Jamal has been a tremendous help for us, and we enjoy working with him. We trust his work. We trust him and know that he performs a good service, and we've enjoyed working with him in the past. We're confident that he can get any job done that we send to him, and we're confident that he would be able to work with any other business and do the same. In the future, we hope to continue to work with Jamal, and he performs excellent service every time. So I hope this video helps with showing some of the benefits there are to working with Jamal, but in any case, he's been excellent. Thank you.